In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove a Google account from Chrome. To remove a Google account from Chrome on Android and iOS, follow these steps. Open the Chrome app on your device and tap on your profile picture located in the top right-hand corner. In the menu that appears, you'll see that the account you are currently signed in into. Tap on it. If you have multiple accounts signed in, tap on the one you want to remove, and skip this step if you only have one account signed in. Scroll down and find the option Remove Account from this device and tap on it. Confirm this action if prompted. The selected Google account will be removed from Chrome on your device. You can now go back and choose another account to browse under or add a new account if needed. By following these steps, you can easily remove a Google account from Chrome on both mobile devices such as iOS and Android. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.